Yo, what up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today reacting to the one and only Diana Ankudinova. Let's get into it.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга.
That is all the judges. Yo, this girl, wow, what does this mean? Like, I can't read it, but does this mean she was 15 when she did this? Like, what? Yo, I have no words. She leaves me speechless. Like, what do you say after this? Yo, Diana is impressive. She's massive. This girl is a star in the making. We are witnessing greatness, people. Like, trust me. She is a superstar. She was born a superstar. She's going to be a superstar. This was a beautiful, beautiful song. I love her voice. I love how she performs. Like, you could tell, like, she has a lot of that energy, that youth energy. It just comes out. This was awesome. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you want to see more Diana's songs, I have a playlist of Diana. Go check out more of my reactions on her. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.